rich and welcoming place steeped in history, art, and culture, but also a place of deeply felt emotions and values. Padua, a miniature universe just waiting to be discovered. Our journey begins right here in Padua, a splendid city of the Venetian hinterland. Boasting over 3,000 years of history, it bears witness to great culture and civilization. Here, one can find unrivaled masterpieces such as Giotto's frescoes in the Scrovegni Chapel, considered to be one of the greatest monuments to figurative art of all time. One can also find the Miracles of Saint Anthony, painted by Titian in the Scuola del Santo at the beginning of the 16th century. And the life of Saint Christopher, as it was recounted to the Eremitani monks by Andrea Mantegna. The Basilica of Saint Anthony contains Donatello's sculptural masterpieces. This is just a taste of the thousands of treasures preserved in a city where past still communicates with present. This is also true for the Patavina University, which is one of the oldest in the world. Step into the ancient courtyard to experience its unique atmosphere, a mixture of vitality and cultural turmoil. It was founded in 1222, and among its lecturers, it once boasted Galileo Galilei. The university's botanical garden has been designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Padua is also about energy, dynamism, and creativity. It is no coincidence that one of the very symbols of Padua is the historical and prestigious Caffè Pedrocchi, which since 1831 has been the true fulcrum of Paduan social life. The city, which is at the heart of the northeastern economy, boasts elegant and very exclusive shops. One can also wander around the colorful stalls of the bustling and noisy daily market. Music, dance, theater, cinema, gatherings and festivals. The artistic and cultural offering is vast and available throughout the year. Each year, Padua's exhibition district hosts prestigious meetings and important international exhibitions in a cutting-edge Congress center. A place of hospitality, vitality and metropolitan rhythms, but also spirituality, contemplation and silence. Here are the great basilicas of Padua, St. Anthony's, a treasure trove of art and faith, with its great domes alternating with slender minarets, beautiful cloisters, and numerous works of art dedicated to one of the best-beloved saints in the world. Then there is Santa Giustina, an imposing tacit custodian of the remains of the young proto-martyr Justina. And there is also the cathedral. Its baptistry dates from the 3rd century and was frescoed by Giusto de Menaboi in the 4th century. Outside the city, one can find ancient monasteries and great abbeys, the most important of which is the Benedictine Abbey of Praglia, site of art and faith. The beauty and charm of the Euganean hills have always inspired writers and renowned poets, such as the great Francesco Petrarca. How can one remain unaffected by the sweet profile of the hills and the alternating pattern of the natural vegetation, while glimpsing a villa here, a castle there, or perhaps a hermitage or sacred sanctuary? It's all waiting to be discovered, as are the food and wines. The area boasts excellent DOC wines, inspected and certified by the Consortium for the Protection of DOC Wines for the Euganean Hills, Bagnoli, and Merlara. There is also the delicate Euganean oil, which has a particular fruity flavor with an almond aftertaste. Bigoli pasta with duck meat sauce, rice with peas. One can then continue with sweet Montagnana ham, pressed pork brawn, game or Paduan hen. The whole of Padua province deserves to be seen, loved, experienced, and discovered. Partly to provide an unforgettable holiday and, why not, partly to rediscover oneself in a motherland.